Morning, YouTubies. How's it going? This morning we have, well, he has egg and sausage McMuffin.
With cheese.
With cheese. Oh. I have a sausage breakfast burrito.
Times 3.
Times 3. Hash browns times 2. And a, what was it, a turtle macchiato? Macchiato?
I don't know. Ooh.
Yeah, something like that. Iced coffee.
Ooh, big old fish just jumped.
It's my first time trying a turtle macchiato. Oh, that's good. So how you guys doing? We're at the harbor again, but it's morning time this time. It's beautiful out today.
And she's not eating pizza.
Yeah, for change. Hash brown, what's up?
Now I would love Pepsi instead of a Sprite.
Yeah. Since McDonald's only has Coke products, he likes Pepsi better.
Of course, because it's better.
Yeah. That's good. I hope I'm recording. Yep, it is. Waiting for sure. The way it's really shadowy. We're at the harbor and watching the boats. What are you doing?
Well, I don't see boats yet.
There's some down. Oh, I thought I seen some down there.
Nope.
I've seen. Well, I don't have my glasses on, so. What were you doing?
I was sticking my finger in your ear.
Why?
Because I was seeing if there was any brains in there.
Of course there is. I'm not a zombie yet.
Where are they?
They're in there, sloshing around.
In the red hair?
Down below.
That's your butt.
Man, she made that look so easy. Little gal just went sliding by on a skateboard. I never could stay on those things without falling. My cousin Tony used to have a skateboard. I tried my luck on it. Fell a couple times. It's like, forget that. 73 degrees right now. A slight breeze going through.
Feels good.
Yeah.
Except for the slight fishy smell.
Yeah, I was noticing that again. I love McDonald's hash browns. But they're soft on the inside and that slightly crispy on the outside. I know some people like it with ketchup, but I like mine just plain.
I guess the hot sauce is for your burritos.
Yep. Can't believe how beautiful it is today.
Yeah, summer's here, and like Vicky said last night, but I wanted spring still.
Yeah.
We're waiting for spring, and it never sprung, and now it's summer.
Wow. First thing is I want to go swimming, but I don't know if I want to go swimming in the lake. At the same time, I do because I want someplace to go swimming.
Whoa, that was a big one.
Oh wow, I didn't see it, but I see the ripple.
About at least as long as my arm, if not bigger.
Wow. We need to get our fishing license.
Look at the ripple over there.
Wow.
That's like big.
And we need to get our fishing license so I can do those meal prep ideas I was telling you about. Make the TV dinner like things. Have a section with rice. And then have like... Okay, like what I was saying was, before the phone bleeped out on me, was want to make some meal prep ideas. Have like, kind of like TV dinners. Rice in one section, steamed fish in another, veggies in another spot. Feel better?
Mm-hmm.
Excuse you. But, maybe come down here and catch our own fish to steam. Steamed fish. Or even grilled fish, maybe. Healthier versions of what we would normally eat.
Yeah, I don't know where it messed up at, so I don't remember where the conversation was. But I was saying she can't even sleep graceful because she snores so loud.
You do too.
You've been heard in Canada, England, Spain, Germany, Australia, Japan, Singapore, Philippines. Probably a few more countries in there. Belgium. Remember Belgium?
People?
That's how loud she snores.
I don't snore that loud that they can hear me all over the place. It's the fact that he has his computer on with the games that he plays. And there's people in the games that are from all over the world.
And she snores that loud where she'd be heard.
No. Puts to sleep. Why is he wearing something on his head? Or she? Or that?
It's hair.
Oh my goodness. Oh, I definitely need to get glasses.
Yeah.
I thought they had a towel on their head.
Racist?
I wasn't meaning anything racist at all. It just looked like they had a towel on their head. There's a big old fish that just jumped up. I'm not even into fishing. I'm wanting to go fishing now. So we can have steamed fish. I would love to go looking for morel mushrooms, but I ain't dare going back in those woods. Mm-mm. With the ticks and everything, and then I heard, I don't know if actually there is or not, but Dad talked that there's potentially copperheads in there. Like, haha, I'll stay away, thank you. So the last thing I need is get bit by either one of those things.
Here's somebody speeding by in a boat.
Yep. Whee! Couldn't tell if he's trying to keep his hat on or...
Yeah.
Or just hold on there like that. It's a wimpy breakfast burrito.
Mm-hmm.
I remember they used to make these so much better.
Oh, well, you must have broke it again.
I didn't break it. Hopefully this video is going to be even worth posting, because right now it's going to be all in little pieces because it keeps wanting to shut off on me. I've got to finish cleaning it off. I got most stuff cleaned off of the phone so I can do a factory reset, but I gotta get my pictures off. But yeah, this breakfast burrito is a pathetic one. They definitely used to make them a lot better. But what was that, 20 years ago? It's a pretty songbird.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's spicy. Speaking of pretty birds, Shirley, this morning I was listening to her making the little chicky sounds that she makes. She makes different little tones as she's like talking to the other chickies. She's like, "Oh, adorable."
That's a big jump.
Yeah.
No, it's kind of far away though.
I think what I need to do in the morning is set the tripod up just outside of their little run and then open the gate. Because, oh my goodness, that was so funny and cute to watch them. As soon as I opened the gate, they all came out and all of a sudden, all of them flying across the yard. I'm like, oh, test their wings. I see you. Those little yellow finches. Pretty. Oh, there's a couple of them. Ah, that is spicy. A little spicier than I was expecting.
No, I'm running out of food. I'm going to start eating yours.
Sure, you can have a bite. It's spicy.
I'll take the one without the stuff.
No.
Mm-hmm.
Would you behave? Would you behave?
I don't know how.
I know. You're behaving badly.
I don't know how to do.
Spicy.
Starting to get kind of warm in here too. Dang.
What?
I'd say you can have a drink of my drink.
I wish I hadn't. Yuck. Sprite, but it tastes like it's got dirt in it.
Yeah, I remember once Will, my brother, Mom come home and she's mad because she's like, "Who drank all my diet Sprite?" And he's like, "I didn't do it." Other brother's like, Brian's like, "I didn't do it." And
What do you do?
complained how bad it tasted after he drank it.
Kind of funny. How old was he? A teenager or something?
Probably. Yeah, it had to have been.
I know one thing on my next burrito, I'll put much less of this on, if any. They must have gave me the hot. I thought I had the hot last time, but this is, it's like it's like a lot hotter. Oh man, it'll clear up your sinuses, open them up.
How's that going to help my sinuses?
If you take a bite, it would.
Okay.
No!
You told me if I take a bite, it'll clear up my sinuses.
I meant with the sauce on it. Oh my goodness. That's not how, I don't know if you guys can see that. Pull that up. Look what he's doing. Hold it with the sauce on it.
Mm-hmm. I like hot stuff.
That's not how I was meaning with the sauce on it. Dork.
Didn't specify.
Uh-huh.
You've already learned by now that, but say something with me, you gotta specify.
One of these days, my eyes are gonna get stuck, and you're gonna see it right here on video.
Full moon.
Yeah. The guy and two women is down in front of the van. He bent over, is like, full moon. Plumber's crack. Not what you want to see in the morning. Or anytime for that matter. Makes you think of Zach. Okay, YouTubies. Probably I'm having some technical difficulties with my phone while trying to do this video, so we'll cut it short. But also, seeing the plumber's crack kind of burned the mood, so to speak. So we're heading home. So if you're new to my channel, this may not be the best mukbang today because, like I said, technical difficulties. So next time will be better. So, and hopefully next time no plumber's crack. So, oh, I like the little poochie. Like a little boxer or something. Something. Pug. Something. Anywho, catch you guys later. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And see you guys later. Bye-bye.